Okay, we're going to do this first example on worksheet 1 together. Read through the following information. As you do, place X's in the boxes that you know are not true and an O in the boxes that are true. Keep reading through the clues until you fill in every box and solve the puzzle. Anna, Tony, and Millie are sisters. You need to deduce which sister is 9 years old, which one is 12, and which one is 14. You have 2 clues. Clue 1. Tony's age is not in the 4 times table. Clue number 2. Millie's age can be divided exactly by the number of days in a week. Alright, so then below that there are some step-by-step instructions that you have on your paper. It says solution. I didn't copy and paste them here, but I'm going to read through them as I do this. So, solution 1. From clue 1, we know that Tony is not 12. Put an X in the box where Tony lines up with 12 years. How do we know that Tony is not 12? Tony's age is not in the 4 times table. What that's saying is that Tony's age is not divisible by 4. So we have numbers that are divisible by 4, like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc., right? So Tony's age is not in the 4 times table, not 12. Number 2. From clue 2, we know that Millie is 14 because it's the only number divisible by 7. Put an O in the box that contains Millie's row and 14 years. So 14 is the only number that's divisible by 7, and that's the number of days in a week. Okay, so those are the 2 things we know from reading the clues. The cool thing is, anytime you know an answer, you can automatically cross out everything everywhere else except for that answer. So, since Millie is not 9 or 12, put X's in those boxes. In the 12 years column, you can now see that Rana is the only possibility. So, put an O in this box right here. And X's in the 9 and 14. We already did the 14 just because I didn't add this in my list of solutions, but because Millie is 14, no one else is 14, right? So then that leaves Tony to be 9. So yes, the chart tells us exactly what the answers are, but it's nice to actually write out those results. So I know it's a little bit of a pain, but Rana is 12. And Tony is 9. And Millie is 14. So there's our answers right there without having to like analyze, look at the chart to figure that out.